Welcome to Rising East Villas, East Hyderabad's largest gated community. Spread over 14.15 acres, this premium project is strategically located near Pocharam IT corridor and offers duplex and triplex villas with over 25 plus lifestyle amenities. Just 10 minutes away from the Uppal metro station, 2 minutes from Warangal highway, 5 minutes from ORR exit 9, 5 minutes from Infosys Pocharam. This RERA and HMD approved project is designed for luxurious living with unmatched connectivity.